welcome back for another video. My name is Aisha if you're new to my channel, and I post videos once a week on a Sunday. And if you're returning, welcome back, thank you for joining me. So today's video, and I don't know why my voice sounds like it's going away, I don't know. So today's video is going to be a turban tutorial. I've not done one in a while on my channel. So yeah, I'm basically going to be showing you how to style two different Ankara scarves. One is a triangular one and one is a long one, and they're both from Chania Collections on Instagram. I'll leave their details down below. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay guys, okay, it's morning by the way, so excuse the deep voice, but this first style I achieved using a long scarf, like I said, that's from Chania Collections, and underneath my scarf I used my regular volume. I'll leave a card on this screen somewhere so that you can click onto that video and watch how I achieved my volume. Okay, so literally just get your scarf, frame your face with it. You want the sides to be equal, both sides to be equal in length. Okay. And then you just cross the two sides over at the back, ensuring everything is neatly tucked in at the back. Okay, and once you do this, then you need to just start twisting both sides around each other to one side of your head, like so. Okay, twist, 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 keep going. Take your sweet time like I'm doing. Oh dear. And then you simply just bring the twisted sides over your head, the twisted part or whatever, and then you just literally tuck it in at the back. That's all I did. I forgot to show you, but I will turn around in a second and show you what I did. Gosh, I have the deepest voice in the mornings. There we go, and then just tuck it in at the back. And also I think I'm coming down with a cold. No! Okay, so that's that one, style number one, super duper easy. Again, you achieve this using a long scarf. Okay. So with this style as well, if you want to, you can like take that further back, bring it further forwards. It's kind of personal preference really. I kind of like mine about there. Okay. So yeah, I was gifted these scarves when I went to a blogger event by Chania Collections. I got about 5 different ones. They're so beautiful. Okay, so this second style, you use a triangular scarf, which is again another Chania Collections one. So it is triangular. I didn't fold it in half or anything. It comes like that, which is great because then you don't get the extra bulkiness. So literally just tying the scarf around the front side of my head this time, at the very front, as I've just done there, and then yep, just secure it really tight. And notice how the middle part, I kind of pushed that out. I didn't tuck it under at the front or anything. So now you need to get that section, just give it a twist and then tuck it in the kind of little hole, the little gap, as you'll see me do there. Okay, so just tuck it in and then tidy that up. And just to note as well, so I used a turban lift, which is like a turban volumizer for this one, which is from a company called Raleigh's Collection, and I use that because it gives it like really exaggerated volume, which I thought really suited this style very well. Okay, so now you just go to proceed to tie the bow at the front of your head, just like you would like tie any bow pretty much, and then just tuck those. Just make any adjustments you need to, make sure it's even, and then yeah, just tuck the two kind of bits that are sticking out underneath into a little pocket there, and then just fan out your bows as I'm doing now. Okay, just fan them out. Concentration face is on 100 right now. Okay, and do the same with the other side, just fan it out. And then I didn't like how it was a bit pointy, so I just kind of tried to reduce the amount that I fanned it out by, just like that. Just literally adjust until you're happy with it, and you end up with this super cute style. It's so funny because I was literally, this is one of my Instagram tutorials, by the way. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to follow me because I do weekly tutorials. I absolutely love this style. I was literally not even going to like post this this Saturday just gone. I was just playing around with it and came up with this style, and I thought this looks gorgeous. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks guys. thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully it's kind of helped you, give you inspiration. If you did, give it a thumbs up so I'll continue making these types of videos. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And I think that is everything. Let me know below which one your favorite is, guys, as well. All right, bye guys.